Khalid Fajay, he is calling in from Negi. I think that's.
On behalf of the Fijian government and particularly the Minister of Women, Children and Poverty Alleviation, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank the Fiji Australia Business Council for the idea to come up with this initiative, for your generosity. And the ministry that I serve in, you would all know, serves the most marginalized of Fijian society. And given the crisis we've been going through, this COVID, this tropical cyclone Harold, and now tropical cyclone Yasa, the beneficiaries that we serve become even more marginalized. So we're grateful. We're grateful for this, and I'd also like to particularly thank the Australian government in your efforts in addressing the needs of my ministry. To the Fiji Australia Business Council, I know glued through the Valley Partnership, through all that, we've been able to alleviate a lot of issues emanating from the crisis we've been facing as a country due to the generosity of the Australian government. And this complements that, complements what the Fijian government is already doing through our social protection programs, and this will go a long way. I'm thinking particularly about children who are going back to school and how this can help them, help their parents, put them back in school with the right utilities in place. So on behalf of government, on behalf of the ministry, thank you again for this. We're very grateful, and on behalf of the beneficiaries that we serve, thank you very much.
Thank you.